I personally bought this lip balm because of its texture. It is said in the website that it looks like sand, feels like sand. When you apply it on your lips, it melts into a glossy balm finish. That's what they said, but it is not. Ooh, they all look so tiny. Like in the picture on the website, they look really big, but guys, they literally look like sand, but in blue color. Golden tea lip balm. Ooh, that's an interesting packaging. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to see the unboxing and first impression of the lip balm company's lip balms. So before we move on to the first impression, let's do the unboxing. Hey guys, good morning. I just woke up to this. The delivery person rang my bell at 9 o'clock and I just woke up after that. I couldn't sleep without opening this parcel, so yeah. I ordered this lip balm company's lip balms a day before, guys. I ordered it on Sunday night and today is Tuesday morning. So within 2 days I got this parcel in my hand because this was shipped within Chennai and I'm in Chennai, so that's the reason I believe I got it earlier. So before I cut open it, let me take a picture of it and post it on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, do follow me. I'll put the link in the description or on the screen itself. Guys, I guess I did not receive any extra packaging. Oh my god, I got. Just by pressing the parcel, I thought I did not receive an extra pouch or extra packaging, extra cardboard packaging, but see, I got. And there's some instruction manual, I believe. And this is the invoice. As you can see, I ordered this Seaside Lip Balm, Golden Tea Lip Balm, Apple Coal Lip Mask. And these are the original prices. If you order right now, this would be the original price. But I got this on discount for only sale. So let's open this. Ooh, they all look so tiny. Like in the picture on the website, they look really big, but I know they are 5 grams of the product, but I thought the wooden packaging, the outer wooden packaging would be bigger in size, but they are small. We have got this little pamphlet. It's for the lip repair lip mask, the Apple lip mask. They have given the pamphlet only for the lip mask and not for the lip balms. So they have given, who's this for? What does it look like? Actually, I guess this is the FAQ that is already given in the website. Golden tea lip balm. They look cute. And this is the what is this? Seaside Lip Balm. They have given a little spatula for this one. Cool, they look so cute, guys. Wow. Love the detailing of this one. It has an embossed flower on top of this. Guys, they are so tiny. Oh my god. You know, the picture looks big in the website. Looks like they are freshly made. So this is how it looks like. And there's this magnetic closure. You don't have to screw it down. You can just place it and it's closed. The next one is the Seaside Lip Balm. This one, the texture, the highlight of this lip balm is the texture because it feels like sand and when you put it on your lips, it melts like a balm. So that's what they have said. Let me open it up. Oh! Guys, this is the tub, guys. Ooh, look at that. By the way, why this is loose for me? It's not fixing into it. I might lose this tub if it's not getting fixed. I'll put Fevikwik and stick it up. Okay guys, look at the texture. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Guys, they literally look like sand but in blue color. I really wanted to push my finger into this one, but I'm going to do a first impression on this one, so I'm not going to put my fingers on the lip balm. I will do the first impression today evening. So yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. By the way, the texture is love, guys. Glad I chose this lip balm. The third and the last one is this golden tea lip balm. Ooh, that's an interesting packaging. Great job, the lip balm company. This tub sticks to the bottom. There's a graphic design of this little boy carrying an umbrella to the fields, to the tea fields. Ooh, they are slightly melted. Yeah, they are melted. You can see it on the cap also. Because of the temperature right here in Chennai, it's so hot, you guys. So this is how it looks like. So guys, continue watching the first impression of me using this lip balms. So the first lip balm we're going to try is the Lip Balm Company's Golden Tea Lip Balm. It opens up like this. They have a magnetic closure, which I really like. It looks beautiful, isn't it, guys? Look at the color. It looks like mango color. And it smells like tea, guys. Pure tea. If you know the smell of a pure tea, the aroma of a fresh tea, not the tea dust, but the tea leaves, it smells exactly the same. And it's also sweet. It smells like sweet, fresh tea. Yeah guys, I'm loving this fragrance. Glad I picked this up. Guys, they feel squishy. They feel like jelly. I'm loving it, loving it. They are not very thick in consistency as well as not very thin in consistency. They are somewhere in middle. I feel like it's a very lightweight lip balm. And they are not very liquidy. They are somewhat in oily to balm consistency, but I mean not too balmy or not too oily. They are in the middle. Yeah guys, this is what I could feel in the first impression. So yeah, let's move on to the next product. Guys, something unfortunate has happened to the video that I recorded for the first impression. The clip got deleted. The clip where I will be talking about the Apple Coal Lip Mask has got deleted. So yeah, that's why I'm here back again to tell you guys how it feels. It's been 10 days since I'm using the lip mask and the lip balms from the Lip Balm Company. I'm testing it out, so please wait for the review. So I'm going to tell you how it feels like on the lips and the texture and the consistency of the lip mask. So this is the Lip Balm Company's Apple Coal Lip Mask. And it smells like a sour apple. I expected a fruity, sweet apple, but this is sour. And this fragrance reminds me of the Center Shock gum. If you are a 90s kid, you would know what scent shock gum is. It smells exactly the same, guys. It smells exactly like Center Shock. It's been ages since I ate this gum, but this fragrance is exactly the same as the Center Shock one. And the consistency of this lip balm is slightly thick, guys. I mean, like very, very, very slightly thicker than the Golden Tea lip balm. The Golden Tea lip balm is thin in consistency. Not too thin though. But this one is slightly thick, guys. I would say like this one is like 10% thicker than that one. If you are not into lip balms and if you are a beginner in using lip balms, then you would not feel any difference between the Golden Tea and this one, because the Golden Tea is a lip balm and this is a lip mask. You would not feel any difference in the texture and in the consistency. I wish I like my lip mask to be thicker in consistency like the Laneige one, or like the body lotion one, like the Namya as a lip serum, which is like your body lotion. The consistency, the texture is like a body lotion. It is that much thick. Only those kind of consistency will work on my very dry, chapped, sensitive, bleeding lips. So yeah, this is like a usual kind of a lip balm. That's what I feel like by using this one. Moving on to the next one, which came in this cute little pouch. I love free products, guys. So this is the Seaside lip balm. The highlight of this lip balm is the texture. I personally bought this lip balm because of its texture. It is said in the website that it looks like sand, feels like sand. When you apply it on your lips, it melts into a glossy balm finish. That's what they said, but it is not. It looks like sand. Yes, it looks like lovely blue colored sand. It looks fantastic, but when you touch it, it doesn't feel like sand. It feels like a usual lip balm, guys. I don't know why they put like that in their website. You might see a sand-like texture, but when you touch it, you could not feel any sand or something. See, I could not feel a sand-like texture. I feel a glossy lip balm, a usual, a regular lip balm. Yeah, that's what I feel. Even if I put them on my lips, I feel the same. I could not feel a sand that is melting into a glossy lip balm finish. I could never feel that. It's been 10 days since I used this lip balm. Even on my first impression, I said the very same thing. It doesn't feel like what it claims. I bought this lip balm only because of its texture, guys. I raved about this to my friends. I raved like, this is the first lip balm, a textured lip balm that's gonna melt on your lips. And also I did glue this tub to the bottom packaging because the tub was falling outside of the packaging. I did put up a mail to their team, support team. They were very, very responsive and they are very helpful. And they called me and they said that that is the packaging of the Seaside Lip Balm. The other ones, the golden and the golden tea and the apple core mask are stuck to the bottom because that is the packaging, while the Seaside, the tub would come out, and that's how the packaging is. So what I did is I put some Fevikwik and stuck the tub to the wooden outer packaging, because if I just keep the tub, it's definitely gonna get lost somehow because the tub is very tiny, so it will get lost like this. So yeah, that's it, guys. So give me a month's time. I will test it. I will test it under all circumstances. By the way, my lips are very, very, very sensitive. They are dry, they are chapped, they bleed and whatnot. And they also peel like anything else. Dry flakes are always on my lips. I even visited a dermatologist during my childhood for my lip condition. Give me a month's time. I will put up a detailed review on these 3 lip balms from the lip balm company. If you want to purchase these lip balms and not sure how to order, I have already done a tutorial on how to order these the Superstars collection. So yeah, click the link in the description box and you will be directed to a video on how to order the lip balm company's lip balm. So bye guys, until then I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Diti, signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.